How many drivers abandon your website because it's hard to read or use on a phone? Tiny text, low contrast, hard to tap buttons, forms that don't work with keyboards or screen readers. Customers bounce fast. But there's a bigger issue. Your website should be usable for everyone, including disabled drivers who rely on screen readers, keyboard navigation, captions, or high contrast viewing. This doesn't just hurt bookings. It can also raise accessibility compliance risk for your repair shop. America's Best Shops offers an accessibility compliance service built specifically for vehicle repair shop websites and booking flows. ADA Best Practices makes your site inclusive, so every customer can find services, get answers, and book repairs without barriers. We improve the essentials: readable text sizing, stronger contrast, clearer navigation, accessible buttons, and forms that work properly with assistive technology. We also support screen reader-friendly structure and keyboard navigation, so customers can move through your site smoothly, even without a mouse. And we don't stop at a one-time fix. We provide ongoing monitoring and updates so accessibility issues don't return when your site changes. The result: a better experience for every customer, more completed forms, more booked appointments, and reduced compliance risk. Make your repair shop website accessible and conversion ready. Get started with America's Best Shops today.